Hi, my name is Samath. Welcome to my English class. Today's lesson, I am going to teach you how to use the present simple tense. Okay, so before I start the lesson, I would like to give a very short review about the previous lesson, how to form the present simple tense. Okay, so in the present simple tense, we add s, es, or ies to the verb when we use with the third person singular he, she, it, and with the subject pronoun I, we, you, they, we use verb in the base form, that is in positive form, and in negative form we use don't to make the negative form with the subject pronoun I, we, you, they, and we use doesn't with the subject pronoun he, she, it, and then plus with verb base form. In yes no question, we use helping verb do to form the question with the subject pronoun I, we, you, they, and we use does with the subject pronoun he, she, and it, and then plus verb base form, that is in yes no question form in the present simple tense. Okay, so today's lesson I'm going to show you how to use the present simple tense, and then in this video lesson I have raised 7 points. Okay, 7 points how to use present simple tense. Okay, so let's get started the class. Okay, so here are the 7 points that I'm going to raise and how to use the present simple tense. And the first point is we use present simple tense to talk about regular action. Okay, so talking about regular action. Okay, so when you say regular action is the action that does not change. Okay, so look at here. Let's read the 2 examples here. I play football every weekend. Okay, so we use play in the present simple tense. I play football every weekend. So this is the action that happens on every weekend you play football. Okay, another example. We always have 3 meals a day. Okay, so have is in the present simple tense, and we always have 3 meals a day. That is a regular action, and the action that does not change. Okay, so number 1 we are talking about regular action. Okay, so point number 2, talking about general truth. So we use present simple tense to talk about general truth. Okay, so just like something that happened in nature, truth in nature. Okay, so I have 3 examples here. The earth rotates the sun. Okay, the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Blue whale is the biggest animal on the earth. Okay, so here are the examples to express about something that is general truth. When I say general truth, it does not happen yesterday or last month, but it happened like some years ago, million years ago. Okay, and it does not change in the future. It will not change. Okay, so talking about general truth, we use the present simple tense. Okay, another point, number 3. We use the present simple tense to talk about long-lasting situation. Okay, long-lasting situation. For example, my family lives in a big city. So when you say my family lives in a big city, so it means that is the situation, that this verb is expressed a long situation, a long-lasting situation, that you do not just move to live in the city like last month, but many years ago, now still happening, and also in the future still continue. Okay, so another one, she works in a bank. Okay, so she works in the bank. So working in the bank, that is a long-lasting. That is talking about her career, her job. That maybe she is a cashier, and she got that job. Okay, work in the bank. Okay, so again, we use present simple tense to express about the situation that lasts long. Okay, lasts long. We move to point number 4, talking about states. Okay, talking about states. So when you say state here is, we refer to some verb that cannot use with ing form or form in continuous. Okay, so that is about express about the state. For example, here, we need food. Okay, so we need food. So need is the verb that express about state. Verb do not show the action. Okay, so we cannot see the action. So you can say that is express about state. Okay, another one, living in the big city costs much. Living in the big city costs much. So the verb cost, it express about state. You cannot see any action. Okay, so in this situation, we cannot form that verb into continuous form. So that is present simple tense express about state. Okay, so we move to point number 5. We use present simple tense with verbs of. Okay, so with verbs of, like sensing. Okay, sensings refer to the 6 senses that human beings belong to. Okay, so the 6 senses. So like verb hear, see, smell, taste. So you can say this pizza tastes good. You cannot say this pizza is tasting good. Okay, we cannot use with ing form. So again, present simple tense we use with the verbs of sensing, feeling. Okay, like for example, like, love, hate, want. Okay, verb of thinking, like know, realize, understand. Okay, speaking, promise, admit, advise. So here are the verbs that use mostly with the present simple tense, and these verbs cannot use with continuous form. Okay, so yes, we move to point number 6. So we use present simple tense to tell a story or a joke. Okay, to tell a story or a joke. So when you say a story, it's just like a story that happened some years ago or in the past, like long time ago, but we still use present simple. Why we use the present simple for the story in the past? Because we want to express direct. We want to make the sound more direct, and it is interesting. Okay, more interesting. So I have one example here. In his new film, Brian plays the part of a brave cowboy. Okay, so we use present simple plays. Okay, plays. In fact, the film already show. Okay, the film already show, but we still use play in present simple because we want to make it sound more direct and it is more interesting. Okay, so again we use present simple tense to express